saying Edwards.
Who's saying that?
Superiors.
There's no superiors left, man. There's no one.
3rd Battalion, Bravo Detachment. First
Hell
convoy,
is this?
Oscar Mike at 0500 hours.
Is he turned?
Dead don't use tools, man.
Could be infected.
Nice night.
Sir, you're entering a restricted area. Stay where you are.
I don't want to have to shoot you, old man.
You should save your ammunition.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Holy shit! Multiple infected north.
This is a national emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The nation of Mexico has launched an invasion of the United States Southwest region. Mexican military forces are crossing the border. Multiple border communities have been occupied by Mexico. The reason for the invasion is unknown. A high number of casualties have been confirmed. Mexican forces have launched missile attacks at the United States. Due to this, the government has ordered the evacuation of the southwest United States. To ensure the safety of evacuees, the National Guard has been deployed. When evacuating, only take essential items with you. These items should include non-perishable food, clean drinking water, medical supplies such as a first aid kit and medications, clothing, identification, clothing and emergency money. Staying in border communities is extremely dangerous. If you are captured by enemy forces, you must obey their commands. If anybody is collaborating with the enemy, those people will be arrested for treason and be subjected to execution. This is a national emergency. The United States Armed Forces has been deployed. A NATO Article 5 response has been activated. Those outside the immediate danger zone should seek shelter immediately. If enemy forces enter your community, hide in a secure location. Barricade all entrances to your home. Turn off all noise-making devices. Turn off all lights. If you are outdoors and driving, pull over and take shelter inside the nearest building. Do not attract attention to your location. A national state of emergency has been declared. This message will repeat.